Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are just a few days away from Diwali. The Diwali fever is on, lots of people shopping around. Let's see what's happening. And today we are at the very famous and popular Lokhandwala complex. It's a very classy and upmarket area in north of Mumbai in Andheri West. It's about a 40 minutes drive from the international and domestic airport in North Mumbai in Andheri West, and a similar distance from Bandra and Juhu in North Mumbai. In the year 1968, almost more than 50 years back, this Lokhandwala complex was extremely dirty and messy marshland, a very vast piece of land with a lot of marsh and dirt around here, and nobody was interested in this place 52 years back until one real estate developer, Mr. Siraj Lokhandwala. He was the owner of the construction firm called Lokhandwala Constructions. He spotted the firm and insisted he wants to buy it. As it happens, there were hundreds and thousands of people in the real estate business and in the business world of Mumbai who discouraged him and even made fun of him, saying, "What are you doing? No one would like to stay in such a dirty place and such a messed up place. No one would like to buy a house or a shop here." And they all made fun of him, they mocked him. Not only was this a very messy and dirty place, a vast area, but it was very far from the main downtown, from the center point of Mumbai, which is in Marine Drive near Gateway of India, Colaba, almost 40 kilometers from here. So they thought, who would want to travel 40 kilometers out of Mumbai and want to stay there? So this is how the vision of Mr. Lokhandwala was in the year 1968. Today, after a long period of 5 decades, more than 50 years later, Lokhandwala complex is one of the most aspired and most desirable place to stay in Mumbai. It is home to the who's who of Bollywood and television film industry, the world of glamour, the modeling industry, fashion industry, lot of designers, models and everyone stay here. Hundreds and thousands of businessmen, industrialists and many other people stay here, and it's one of the best places to stay in Mumbai. In case you would like to know the real estate prices of Lokhandwala, a 1-bedroom 550 square feet apartment would cost you a rental fee, a rent of rupees 25 to 30,000 per month. A 1,000 or 1,200 square feet 2-bedroom apartment would cost you in the range of 35 to 45,000, depending on how old or how new the building is. In case you want to buy an apartment in Lokhandwala complex, a 1-bedroom apartment about 550 square feet will cost you between 2 to 3 crore Indian rupees, and a 2-bedroom apartment in Indian rupees which will cost you about say 6 to 7 crores depending on how new or how old the building is. And there are no bungalows here because it's mostly apartment complex with hundreds of buildings of different size, some of 5 floors, 10 floors, 15 floors. So it's more of an apartment building, and there are no bungalows available here simply because in Mumbai the real estate is not available to purchase bungalows. Yes, that's extremely expensive real estate even as per Mumbai standards, but then that's a metro city. Yeah, there are some very lucky people who get to stay in Lokhandwala complex free of cost. Here they are. So let's walk around and see how the Diwali fever is catching up while we take a tour of Lokhandwala market in Lokhandwala complex. Okay, now I got to move to my next location and my ride is ready, the famous tuk-tuk of Mumbai. भैया लोखंडवाला कॉम्प्लेक्स चलोगे? हाँ बैठिए सर ना। चलो। Lokhandwala complex has many shopping streets, some very upmarket malls, lots of cinema houses, shopping streets, and some great pubs, nightclubs, restaurants, lot of public parks where people go to. Then gyms is very popular, and there are hundreds of beauty salons, this being such a glamorous place. Today here we are at the Lokhandwala market in the famous Lokhandwala complex of Mumbai in Andheri West area. We are here just a few days prior to the festival of Diwali or Deepavali, which is on the 14th of November, coincidentally which happens to be the Children's Day. So we have come here to see what kind of shopping and what's happening and what's the buzz is like for this Diwali, which is just around the corner. Lokhandwala is very well connected to the rest of the city. It is just about half an hour's drive from the Andheri West railway station. Andheri West railway station is the nearest railway station for local trains, and it is about 10 kilometers from here. Lot of best buses, the local bus company of Mumbai, their buses operate here to Lokhandwala complex from various stations in Mumbai, and the nearest metro station is Versova metro station, which is just about 10 minutes rickshaw ride, auto rickshaw ride, and it costs you about 30 to 40 rupees. So it's extremely well connected to the rest of the city. Diwali is a festival mainly observed by the people from the Hindu, Jain and Sikh religion. However, it is celebrated by people from all over India, north to south and east to west. It's a great time for celebrations and holidays all over India. Diwali is a 5-day festival which usually arrives in the month of between mid-October to mid-November. And this is the best time to visit India and see India with all its light, glory and fun all around. During the main day of Diwali and all 5 days of Diwali, people love to wear traditional Indian clothes and visit their friends, family and relatives and neighbors with lots of gifts, sweets, chocolates and other things. Diwali is the day of Lakshmi Pujan Day, where at the auspicious hour the Lakshmi Puja is done, and the worship is done for Goddess Lakshmi in every house, every office, every shop, and people specially go to their factories at a particular time to do the Lakshmi Pujan, to invite the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi and invite prosperity and good health and happiness for the whole family.
हैप्पी इंडिया, वेरी गुड कंट्री, माँ का देश है, मामी का.
To welcome the goddess of wealth, Goddess Lakshmi in the house, devotees clean their houses and they decorate the houses very beautifully, and they wear the best clothes, traditional Indian clothes. The men and women and children in the house, they make nice sweet treats for everybody, and they make a great meal for everybody in the house. One can say Diwali is the best time to visit India and see India in all its glory and splendor. Diwali is also considered as the best time to buy new clothes, new jewelry and to start new businesses, buy a new car, a motorcycle or a new office or a new shop or a new home. Because Diwali is considered as the most auspicious time to start something new. Going kids, Diwali is the most eagerly awaited holiday of the year. 3 to 4 weeks holiday for Diwali. Families also plan their annual holidays around this period of Diwali. After they finish the Diwali puja and all the festivities, then they go for holidays to exotic places all over the world, or they go to travel within India to places like Goa and Kerala and enjoy the coconut water there.
Drink my coconut water.
There are almost more than half a dozen public parks and gardens in Lokhandwala complex, and they mainly serve as great places for senior citizens to meet there, as laughter clubs, comedy clubs, playgrounds for children, and yoga classes and many other sports activities. They are great places to go early in the morning and in the evening. The reason that Bollywood production houses and superstars want their movies to release during Diwali weekend every year is because that guarantees them a very good collection at the box office and ensures that the film is a huge commercial success. People still go just because it's Diwali time and they need to go out with their friends, relatives and family to have a great time at the movies. A very big thank you to the first 23 subscribers who have subscribed to our channel after the first episode. We are extremely thankful to you and your support means a lot. You'll always be very special for us. Thank you so much.